Here we will be talking about fullrmc's software as a solution or SaaS web interface. This interface has four main sections: the left side menu bar, the top side menu bar, the main section, and the logs. So first, let's talk about the left side menu bar. At the top of that menu bar, you would have fullrmc's version that is running for you. So here, 5.0.0. Right below it, we would have useful links that takes me to the fullrmc's documentation or to the public question and answer forum where I can go and ask my questions and raise my concerns. Right below it, I will be having information about the session I am running. So currently I'm not logged in. I have no session running for me. Right below it, I will be having links that takes me to the login page, which you can see here in front of you, to the logout page, where if I have a session running for me, I can log out from it. I can sign up for a new user's account, and I can update and manage my services. Right below that, we'll be having information about the infrastructure running this SaaS, this platform, and the Python version that is running. And right below it, I'll be having information about the loaded fullrmc's engine. So now I am not logged in. I don't have any engine running for me. The next thing that we will be talking about is the top menu bar that is currently not activated. And the reason being, it's because I'm not logged in. So wherever I click, it keeps rerouting me back to the login page. Whenever I'm logged in, I can manage all of that. My engine, I can change my frames, I can view my engine, I can update my selectors, my groups, my generators, I can update my constraints and plot my constraints, and I can run my engine as well. We will be discussing all of these in future video tutorials.